I confirm that the ballot boxes with broken seals are 2, i.e. 1 of Kabale 2, Chakuchaza polling station, Mugonzi Parish, Bukura sub-county. Kuchazi. Thank you. Kuchazi, yes. Then ballot box of Chisiuka, LC1. Siula, LC1. Chitauruzi in Omusango Parish, Bukura sub-county, was found without a seal, and also EC 1870554 C was found without a ballot box but also broken. Ballot box at Elite High School had seal number EC 1845684 with a seal but with an opening of about 2-inch space, allowing anything to be put inside the box. And this was the same case with Danda Primary School polling station. All these are from Bukura sub-county. The total tampered ballot boxes are 5 in number, and the sixth one is the ballot box that was never counted and declared so by the returning officer, and which court equally had not intended to count. The law is that once the ballot boxes are tampered with, the purpose of recount is frustrated and can't continue, and court cannot continue with the recount, and both parties have admitted this. Indeed, the process, while well organized, could not be concluded due to broken and tampered with ballot boxes. This notwithstanding that the main seal that sealed the store was found intact as submitted by the candidates or as the applicant and the respondent. I therefore call off the exercise of vote recount of votes of directly elected member of parliament for Karungu East forthwith, because the purpose is already frustrated. Counsel for the respondent had invited me to confirm the respondent as a validly elected MP by way of issuing a certificate of results. I wish to regret by saying that I'm unable, because I could not recount any votes, and therefore I cannot pronounce myself on it. I wish to advise that any disgruntled party with the results that has been transferred is advised to seek a remedy in the High Court and quicken the process. The order previously issued against the returning officer to delay transmission of results to Electoral Commission is hereby waived. The people of Karungu East are advised to keep calm as the process of finding out the validly elected member of parliament continue. The applicant is advised to apply for a refund of security for costs worth 600,000 by applying to Permanent Secretary and Secretary to Judiciary. I want to thank you. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. I wish you safe journey and journey buses back home. Thank you.